Ever wondered how much your USDT is worth in Nigerian Naira, especially when using the Beam wallet? It can be a bit tricky to keep track of, right? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to figure out that conversion and give you the lowdown on the factors that influence the exchange rate. Now, you might be thinking, why does this even matter? Well, understanding the USDT Naira exchange rate is crucial for several reasons. Budgeting. You need to know how much your USDT is worth in Naira to effectively budget your spending, whether it's for everyday expenses or larger purchases. Profit and loss. If you're trading crypto, tracking the value of your USDT against Naira helps you understand your profits and losses. Risk assessment. Knowing the exchange rate helps you assess the potential risks and rewards of holding USDT. Factors influencing the exchange rate. So, what exactly determines how much one USDT is worth in Naira? Several factors come into play. Global crypto market trends. The overall cryptocurrency market significantly impacts the value of USDT. If Bitcoin or other major cryptocurrencies are experiencing a surge, USDT's value might also increase. Demand and supply. The demand for USDT in Nigeria and the availability of Naira in the market directly influence the exchange rate. Exchange platforms. Different exchange platforms, including Beam Wallet, may have slightly varying exchange rates due to their own market dynamics and fees. Economic factors. Nigeria's economic conditions, such as inflation and interest rates, can also impact the USDT Naira exchange rate. How to find the current rate on Beam Wallet. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you find the current exchange rate of USDT to Naira on Beam Wallet? Open your Beam Wallet. Log into your Beam Wallet account. Check the exchange rate. Beam Wallet usually displays the current exchange rates for supported cryptocurrencies, including USDT, directly within the app interface. Look for a section that shows the conversion rates. Use the conversion calculator. Most crypto wallets, including Beam Wallet, have a built-in calculator. You can use this to input the amount of USDT you want to convert and instantly see its equivalent value in Naira. Important notes. Exchange rates fluctuate constantly. Remember that cryptocurrency exchange rates are highly volatile and can change rapidly. The rate you see on Beam Wallet at one moment might be different just a few minutes later. Fees and charges. Be mindful of any transaction fees or charges associated with exchanging USDT to Naira on Beam Wallet. These fees can impact your overall return. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Beam Wallet and your cryptocurrency holdings. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy trading.